How's it going, guys? Andre back here from Cyberpunk Tech with another video. Today we are taking a look at the Sennheiser Bluetooth HD 440s, 4.40 that is. So these are super awesome, little inexpensive over-ear headphones. The reason I bought these are for traveling. You know, when you're on the long plane ride, you need something that's just nicely over your ears. So these are what these are for. Now, to kick things off, the build quality is actually pretty solid considering they are made out of plastic. Very solid. The ear cups have a nice little leather to them. The ear cups are very comfortable. Talking about comfort, this is the one thing that I absolutely dislike about these headphones. When you put them on, the band up top here, it's very uncomfortable. It's very, not enough padding, not enough cushioning. In terms of that, it takes a lot of getting used to, and if anything, for me, these were probably the worst headphones for that. So I don't know, it takes time to get adjusted to them and just, you know, for the exact feel over your head. But other than that, they are pretty solid. The sound, very rich, very deep bass, which is very, very nice, you know. It's got awesome noise canceling, which is very, very good. You can pair these with NFC and Bluetooth. NFC makes things just that much faster, that much snappier for you. So that is absolutely great. Something on the looks, I do not like the fact that they kind of do show oil prints, which is not, it's not ideal, but they can easily be cleaned, so not to worry about that. Noise canceling is actually superb. I've done a little bit of testing outside in the city, and it's pretty solid. Like, it actually blocks out, like, I would say 80 to 85% of the noise, which is perfect in my opinion, because, you know, when you're outside in the city, you still want to be able to hear cars, trains, airplanes, fire trucks, you know. Here in Canada, these retail for about normally around $200, but if you are careful and you look to get them on sale, you can probably get them for about $100, which is a much better deal. I will leave links down in the description below for you guys to check these out, and while you're down there, definitely consider hitting that subscribe and notification bell so you guys don't miss another video when I upload. Other than that, these headphones are actually quite solid. I've used them for a while. The sound, very rich, very deep. Ear cups themselves, they've got like a weird oval shape, but they still sit on your ears quite comfortably. No complaints there. Noise canceling, very, very solid. It comes with a charging cable, so you can charge these via a micro USB. They also come with a 2.5 millimeter cable, not 3.5, 2.5. You can actually twist it so it locks, you know. When you pull on it, you don't actually, like, break the cord sort of thing, like yank it out, so that's really cool. So it's a 2.5 to 3.5 millimeter cable, so for you to plug into your phone. So make sure you do not confuse that with, if you're ever looking at buying another kind of cable. So I actually give a huge thumbs up to Sennheiser. Every kind of product from them that I have tested out has actually gotten a huge good rating from me. So that's super awesome to see. Again, this product doesn't disappoint either, and for how much they cost and for the value that they bring, it's definitely a steal. So I will leave links down in the description for you guys to check them out. If you do own a pair of these, let me know the things that you like and things that you don't like down in the comment section below. I would really appreciate that. And also let me know what other like Bluetooth wireless headphones you guys would like me to check out, because for you guys, I think it is something I can do, and I can give you guys my honest opinion on them. Thank you guys for watching. Get yourself a pair of these if you don't have some wireless headphones, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.